Back to the work on the black pearl. On the last video I did this cage, the rust effects. Today I'm going to continue working on the inside of the cage and on some more cargo elements. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm using field grass from Woodland Scenics and I'm cutting it into smaller pieces to make straw, fake straw on the floor of the cage. I grab some PVA glue and I add some water to dilute it. And now I apply the glue on the edges of the floor, closer to the cages where I want the most straw to get glued. Now I simply sprinkle the straw that I cut on top of the glue in excess. The excess will be removed in a bit. Now I can start removing the excess. Now I apply brown wash on the areas that have the straw, and to blend everything together on the middle where there's no straw, I apply the same brown wash but diluted. It gives a good transition between the areas with the brown wash, and it still shows different from outside the cage. I've printed 3 skeletons, actually 2 skeletons, a laying one, a sitting one, and a pile of bones. Now I'm airbrushing some black paint, and then I will dry brush bone white over the black. This is very small, there's details, but they are very small, and I've attempted painting white and using washes, and I attempted this, and this seems to be what works better, to have some contrast between the areas that are low, that will remain black, and the areas that are high, that the dry brush will cover white. To dry brush, I put some paint on the brush, I empty it on a paper towel, and when it seems that it doesn't have any more paint, we'll rub it and the razor details will pick up some paint. And now placing the skeletons on the cages, and if you pay attention, a sneak preview at the next video is there on the left. I haven't showed that yet. Now removing the previous skeleton that I had made when I first did this first cage, and replacing it with the new one. That's it for today's video. I'll leave you with a close-up of the 3 skeletons after they were painted. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like, leave a comment, consider subscribing to the channel. I hope to catch you all on the next one.